Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a pin along with a text message in a chat on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the new update that makes sharing even easier and more interactive. First, open Pinterest on your browser. Just type pinterest.com in your address bar and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your home page, look to the left side menu. You'll see several options there, including Home, Today, and more. Find and click on Messages. This is where all your chats and conversations with other Pinterest users live. After clicking Messages, you'll see a list of your recent chats. Click on the chat where you want to send the pin. This could be a conversation with a friend, a group, or even someone you're collaborating with on a project. Opening the chat brings up the conversation window. Now here's the fun part. Look for the plus icon inside the chat window. It's usually located near the text box where you type your message. Click on that plus icon, and a menu will pop up with different options. Choose the option labeled Pin. This lets you browse through your saved pins or search for a new one to share directly in the conversation. Once you select the pin you want to send, it will appear in the chat window. You can now type a message to go along with it. Maybe you want to explain why you're sharing it, ask a question, or just say hello. Type your message in the text box below the pin. When you're ready, hit the send button. Your pin and message will be sent together, making your conversation more visual and engaging. The recipient can click on the pin to view it in full detail, just like browsing on Pinterest itself. And that's it. Sending a pin with a text message in Pinterest chat on your PC is quick and simple with this new update. It's a great way to share inspiration, ideas, or just something cool you found without leaving the conversation. Give it a try and make your Pinterest chats more lively and fun.